Hello. Good morning, everybody. I hope you are having a good morning. Today is 10th of September. We are going to start analysis with a chart on our screen. This is Euro USD. So basically, this chart, you can remember last week we were looking for a sell. Not actually last week. Earlier this week, we said that if the price had successfully gone below the support, this trend line, we expected price to continue even further to the lower side. So that's exactly what has happened. The price successfully went below this support. As we're speaking now, it has retraced back to the same support, but is yet to close above it. So we are waiting for a sell signal. If the price continues to sustain itself below this level based on price action, the price needs to continue to the lower side. But if the price can break above this line and close beyond by the end of today, then we will expect a continuation to the upper side up to the trend line which you have at the top, this one. That would mean you're looking for a sell from this point up to this level. So the next chart I want us to look at is Gbp Usd. Gbp Usd is bearish. The price is supposed to be moving to the lower side. We have a support here, we have a support there. So this is just a good support, a good support. There is a massive break to the lower side. As long as we continue to see sustenance below 1.30532, expect a continuation up to this point, 1.27498. So we are looking for a sell signal at this point. We do expect price to continue downwards up to this level, 1.27498. So that's what we expect on GBP USD. USD JPY is supposed to be a sell. I'm going to explain why I'm saying there's a sell. We have a trend line from the top here. You see we have a resistance here, 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 and we have another resistance at this point. Then we have a resistance here. So we're basically waiting for a sell from within this trend line. We are waiting for a very good sell signal. It has done some pips already to the lower side. So if you took a sell, if you already taken a sell, keep holding on to that position. Expect price to proceed down up to the line which you have at the bottom, which is this one. So the next chart is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far Brent oil is bearish. Brent oil is very much to the lower side. We keep seeing price continue to the lower side, and we expect it to continue even much lower. So the reason I'm saying that is because we had a shape which has just been broken to the lower side. We had this shape here from the upper side, and then there is this massive break to the lower side. So we do expect a continuation up to this point, 38.055. If you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for sell orders. Expect price to proceed down up to around 38.055. The next chart I want us to look at is SP500. This is a very good rejection. You can see on SP500 the price moved down. Then previously, like yesterday, the price continued up somehow, but it could not break above this line. If you check the weekly chart, you can see that we're actually bouncing off of a very good resistance here. So this pin, but if the current week's candle can close above this line, 3384.7, then that will mean we are now continuing upwards. So you're supposed to look for buy positions, keep looking for buy orders. Expect price to proceed up this resistance, the one we have. I hope that is clear. That's what we expect on SP500. Then the last chart for today is gold. You go to file, insert, and then metals. Then we add gold. So gold also, gold we expected a move to the last side. We expected price to proceed downwards. There is a very good level here, a very good support. So we had here a support, we had here a support, we had a very good support there, and then we had a support here, then we have a resistance there. So if the price can come back to the same place, that is if the current move to the upper side can proceed upwards up to this resistance, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. That will be the best place where you want to sell it from. And if you were to draw another line from the top, you can see that we also have a resistance there. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, and around the same place should be a resistance in the future. So that would mean we are looking for a sell. If the price does not sell off from this point, we expect it to sell off from the upper line, where we expect a continuation up to this point, 1881.25. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We are going to meet. So thank you. See you.